Saving for your next milestone? Turn your everyday errands into cash back opportunities. Thanks to the Blue Cash Everyday Card, we can earn 3% cash back in the U.S. on essentials like groceries at supermarkets, online retail purchases, and gas stations. That's how we started growing our family's little nest egg. Take the next step with Blue Cash Everyday from Amex. Learn more at americanexpress.com/explore-BCE. Terms and cashback cap apply.
This is Scott Becker with the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. Today's discussion is Grindr, hims and hers, and the market's getting crushed. So here's the thing, and I know this is completely immature, but when I'm so sick of watching the market and there's so much stress and tension in it, I go back to the lowest common denominator and I see what the stocks of hims and hers are doing and what Grindr is doing, and then also the markets in general. So here's the deal. Of course, hims and hers is famous for selling erectile dysfunction medicine across the internet through telemedicine and lots of other things. They've had a hell of a run the last couple of years. I guess there's, in this pressure-filled environment, there's no shortage of people that need erectile dysfunction medicine, and it pains me to talk about it. But their stock is up 90% over the last year. Grindr, of course, is the site made famous for hookups of same-sex couples. And again, in a very stress-filled world with the market up and down and struggling, it seems like there are no shortage of people still looking to utilize sites like Grindr. We don't approve or disapprove of this message, but their stock is up 70% over the last year. So I guess at the end of the day, like anything in life, if you bet on vices, particularly vices that aren't tariffed, you probably do well in the market. The third note today is the stock market itself is giving back some of its gains from yesterday. Yesterday had a record up day. Today it's down another 4% or so. The S&P, at least at noon, is down 4%. That's a disaster of a day. Again, when things are a disaster, when things are stressful, I'm going to be very careful in my words here. We don't go to Grindr, we don't go to hims and hers, but we do go to look at what's going on with their stocks. And again, Grindr up 70% over the last year. God bless you. Hims and hers up 90% over the last year. God bless you too. Thank you for listening to the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. If I offended you in this podcast, and you are the first person to text me at 773-766-5322, and you are offended, I will send you a $100 Amazon gift certificate. Amazon's also struggling this year in the stock market. I haven't looked at the exact numbers yet, but that's the deal. $100 Amazon gift certificate. If you're offended by this and you're the first person to text me that you're offended, 773-766-5322. Thank you for listening to the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast.
Now at Verizon, we're locking in low prices for 3 years guaranteed on my plan. And you can get a single line for just $45 a month when you switch and bring your phone. That's our best price ever on unlimited welcome with autopay plus taxes and fees, guaranteed for 3 years. Because at Verizon, we got you. Visit your local DC Verizon store today. $20 monthly promo credits applied over 36 months with a new line on unlimited welcome. In times of congestion, unlimited 5G and 4G LTE may be temporarily slower than other traffic. Domestic data roaming at 2G speeds. Price guarantee applies to then current base monthly rate. Additional terms and conditions apply.